So, Blue Ink, I got a little bit of an interesting question for you. As do I.
Okay, what's your question?
The question is, where do you keep all of your Thomas toys and all of your metal diecast cars?
Well, I'm glad you two asked. This is where I keep them. A closet just down the hallway from my living room. It's not exactly completely neat yet. There's still a lot of work to be done. But this is a nice place for me to just keep all of my trains, including these ones, my collection of Disney Pixar's. Yes, all engines go diecast. Even up here, where I have my Hallmark collection, and even my 2025 Ruby Thomas, which is still the only 2025 diecast model I have. Need to change that. And plus, there's even more over here. As you can all see. See? Got plenty of all engines go motorized. Classic motorized. Thomas Wood. More Disney Pixar cars, if I can ever get them out. And yes, even wooden railway pieces. So, with all that said, are you two completely satisfied with the answer?
Yep, definitely satisfied. We'd love to see more, though, in maybe a bigger video.
One day, Starlight. One day. Right now, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. What do you all think?